Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to detect the face capture quality using Vision framework for native iOS application. We will be also looking into how to detect pitch, roll and yaw, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, for a face. Now even I'm not really sure what this pitch, roll and yaw is. I think it's mostly like how your head is tilted. But here you can see, firstly you will have to run this tutorial on a real device. It won't work on a simulator. And here you can see this is the image and the face picture quality is 0.705, that is like almost 70%. And here you can see the pitch, roll and yaw. Again, it is I'm not really good at this, but it is mostly related to how your head is positioned. That's what this pitch, roll and yaw is. Okay, so let's see. I will try to take some other image. I think I have few images, so I'll just take this image. I'll rerun my application just to show you guys the output. I'll just close this, I'll delete it. So here you can see this is the face picture quality. Again, the pitch, roll and yaw, these are the optional values. So hopefully you are getting the point. I'll just change it to like 3. Okay, and these are the values for this. So yeah, hopefully you got the point. So firstly I have created a native iOS application using UIKit with Xcode, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. Then if you see inside the assets folder, I have taken few images. So these are the images which I have taken. Then inside view controller I have just imported the Vision framework. Here I have created our UI image view. Then we are initializing our UI image view and setting some NS layout constraints on it, as well as adding our image view to our parent view. Then here we are creating UI image. This should be your image name, so whatever image you have added inside the assets folder, change it to that. Then we are just assigning it to our image view. Then we call assess face capture quality. We convert our UI image to a CG image. Then we just run this vn detect face capture quality request, and with the help of that we then create a vn image request handler and perform that particular operation. I think it's better to perform this particular operation on a background thread. So yeah, you can do that. And here first here I'm basically we get all the observation from our request results. And here if we have the face capture quality, I just print it to the console. And this is for the pitch, roll, yaw. Again, these are optional values, so yeah, make sure you unwrap them properly. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.